Hi, it's Chester Tugwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video we're going to look at how to enter a blank or a void row beneath each of our records in this database. Okay, so to start with, what you'll do is you'll create an extra column. Now, it doesn't really matter what you're going to call this column because you're going to delete it eventually, but in this column, you're basically going to give each of our records an ID. So I'm going to start with 1, type 1 in there, double click on the little fill handle, and then down here you'll see a little button, autofill options, and it'll say fill series, and that'll increment the numbers. Then what you'll do is you'll copy those numbers, and then click in the cell, control down arrow key, that'll take you down to the bottom so you can see there's 17,859 records, and paste in all those numbers again. Okay, then we need to go back to the top of the spreadsheet, so control home. Then what I'm going to do is control shift L, so click in any cell, control shift L, that gives you the drop down lists at the top of each column. And then what I'm going to do for the ID column that I've selected, I'm going to sort smallest to largest, and you can see what it does is it adds a blank row between each of your records, and that does exactly the same all the way down to the bottom of your database. Okay, and then you can just delete this ID field, don't need it anymore. That's for just the purpose of inserting the blank rows, and you're done. Thank you very much for listening. It's been Chester Tugwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training. Don't forget to subscribe so you're always up to date with our new tips and tricks.